Across the vast, sunburnt plains of Australia, a powerful silhouette breaks the horizon, the unmistakable form of the kangaroo. As the first rays of sunlight stretch across the land, this iconic animal stands as a living emblem of the wild, its presence woven into the very fabric of the outback. More than just an animal, the kangaroo is a symbol of resilience and survival in one of the world's harshest environments. Enduring searing heat, scarce water and rugged terrain, kangaroos have adapted in remarkable ways, thriving where few others can. Their story is one of perseverance, a testament to nature's ingenuity. When you think of Australia, you think of kangaroos, woven into our national identity and representing the untamed heart of the outback. They appear on our coins, our coat of arms, and in the stories we tell, embodying the spirit of adventure and the wild freedom that defines this land. Their powerful legs and muscular tails tell a story of freedom and endurance, captivating people worldwide. With every leap, they cover vast distances, moving with a grace and strength that has inspired awe for generations. For millions of years, these marsupials have been the kings of the bush, evolving into perfectly designed athletes. Their bodies are built for speed and efficiency, allowing them to travel great distances in search of food and water, and to escape danger with astonishing agility. From the smallest wallaby to the giant red kangaroo, they embody a unique evolutionary path found nowhere else. Each species has adapted to its own niche, from dense forests to open grasslands, showcasing the incredible diversity of Australia's marsupials. Seeing a mob grazing at dusk, or a powerful male surveying his territory, connects us to the raw beauty of the Australian wilderness. These moments remind us of the deep connection between the land and its creatures, and the delicate balance that sustains them. Every part of a kangaroo is built for survival: keen senses, muscular tails, and a body honed by evolution to meet the challenges of the wild. Their large ears swivel to catch the faintest sounds, while their sharp eyes scan for danger on the horizon. And then there's their unique method of locomotion, bounding across the landscape in great energy-efficient leaps, a marvel of natural engineering that sets them apart from any other animal on Earth. They face droughts, fires, and predators, yet continue to bounce back, a lesson in resilience. No matter the challenge, kangaroos adapt and endure, embodying the spirit of survival that defines the Australian wilderness. Living in complex social groups, kangaroos communicate in subtle ways and show surprising intelligence. Through grooming, body language, and even gentle boxing matches, they form bonds and establish hierarchies, revealing a social world as intricate as any herd or pack. As we explore their world, we discover a fascinating, intricate creature, reminding us there's always more to learn. The kangaroo is not just a symbol of the wild, but a living testament to the wonders of evolution and the enduring spirit of Australia. To truly understand today's kangaroos, we must journey far back in time to an ancient Australia that looked very different from the land we know now. The story of the kangaroo is one of remarkable transformation, shaped by millions of years of evolution and dramatic changes in climate and landscape. Kangaroos are marsupials, unique mammals whose babies, called joeys, are born incredibly tiny and underdeveloped. After birth, the joey crawls into its mother's pouch, where it continues to grow and develop in safety, nourished by her milk. This remarkable adaptation has helped kangaroos thrive in Australia's often harsh environment. Their ancestors were very different from the kangaroos we see today. Some were giant, prehistoric creatures, some as tall as 3 meters, who couldn't hop at all. Instead, they lumbered across a landscape filled with strange and now extinct animals, in a world shaped by shifting climates and evolving ecosystems. Today, the kangaroo family, known as macropods, meaning Bigfoot, has diversified into over 50 species. This group includes not just the iconic kangaroos, but also wallabies, wallaroos, and even tree kangaroos, each with their own unique adaptations and lifestyles. Among these, 4 main kangaroo species stand out: the red kangaroo, eastern grey, western grey, and antilopine kangaroo. Each is perfectly adapted to a specific region and habitat, from arid deserts to lush woodlands and tropical savannas. Eastern greys are the most widespread, thriving along Australia's east coast. They're a common sight in open woodlands, grassy fields, and even suburban parks, where they've learned to live alongside people. Western greys, with their distinctive darker fur, are found in the southern and western parts of the continent. They're well adapted to the cooler, drier climates of these regions. The Antilopean kangaroo, slender and graceful with an antelope-like coat, lives in the tropical north. Here they roam the open savannas, perfectly suited to the warm, humid climate. This incredible diversity within the kangaroo family is a testament to the power of evolution. As Australia's climate and landscape shifted over millennia, kangaroos adapted in extraordinary ways, finding new niches and surviving against the odds. One of their most remarkable adaptations is hopping. This unique way of moving allows kangaroos to travel vast distances efficiently, conserving energy as they search for food and water across the wide, open landscapes of Australia. Today, kangaroos are the dominant large herbivores across the continent, shaping the ecosystems they inhabit and playing a vital role in Australia's natural heritage. The kangaroo family tree is a living story of adaptation, resilience, and survival, a testament to how life can flourish even in the most challenging environments. The red kangaroo is the classic image of Australia's wild heart. As the largest marsupial on Earth, males can stand taller than a grown man and weigh up to 90 kilograms. Their powerful hind legs launch them up to 9 meters in a single bound, reaching speeds over 60 kilometers per hour. Adapted to the arid outback, they rest in the shade during the hottest hours and can go long periods without drinking, getting moisture from plants. Their thick tail provides balance and acts as a prop when standing upright. Red kangaroos are true survivors, thriving in one of the world's most unforgiving landscapes. They are a cornerstone of the outback ecosystem, their presence a sign of a healthy environment. Observing a boomer against the red earth is a powerful reminder of Australia's untamed beauty. Kangaroo movement is a marvel of evolution, pure poetry in motion. Watching a kangaroo bound across the open plains is like witnessing a living spring in action, each leap a testament to millions of years of adaptation. Their unique style of locomotion sets them apart from almost every other mammal on Earth. Their powerful hind legs, packed with elastic tendons, act like springs, storing and releasing energy with each hop. These legs are not just strong, they're incredibly efficient, allowing kangaroos to cover vast distances with minimal effort. The tendons stretch and snap back, propelling the animal forward while conserving precious energy, especially important in the harsh Australian outback. Once up to speed, hopping uses less energy than running for an animal their size. This means kangaroos can travel long distances in search of food and water, outpacing many predators and surviving in environments where resources are scarce. Their muscular tail is crucial for balance at high speeds and acts as a fifth limb during slow movement, a unique pentapedal gait. When grazing or moving slowly, kangaroos plant their tail on the ground, using it like a sturdy tripod along with their front legs to push themselves forward. Kangaroos can't hop or walk backward. Their anatomy is built for forward momentum. Their long, muscular legs and large feet are designed to launch them ahead, making reverse movement nearly impossible. Their large ears swivel independently, picking up sounds from all directions. This keen sense of hearing helps them detect danger and communicate with other kangaroos, even in dense bushland. Soft, padded feet cushion landings, protecting their joints. These specialized feet absorb shock, allowing kangaroos to land gracefully and silently, an advantage when evading predators or moving through rough terrain. Every part of their body is tuned for survival in the Australian landscape. From their powerful legs to their sensitive ears and padded feet, kangaroos are built to thrive in one of the world's toughest environments. They are the ultimate athletes of the bush, perfectly designed for their way of life. Their bodies are a masterclass in evolutionary engineering, allowing them to adapt, survive, and flourish where few others can. Their unique movement is the key to their success as a species, enabling them to cover great distances, escape danger, and find resources in a challenging land. The kangaroo's anatomy is not just remarkable, it's essential to their survival and a symbol of Australia's wild spirit. Kangaroos may seem peaceful, but male boomers engage in fierce battles for dominance. Young males spar to practice, learning the rules of engagement. The most famous behavior is boxing, standing tall, grappling and pushing with their front paws. If intimidation fails, they balance on their tails and unleash powerful kicks with their hind legs, aiming for the opponent's stomach. These fights determine who gets access to resources and mates. Dominance is also displayed through posture, chest scratching, and scent marking. Most disputes are settled through these rituals, maintaining order within the mob. Only the strongest and fittest males pass on their genes, a brutal but effective strategy for survival. Kangaroo reproduction is one of nature's wonders. After a short pregnancy, a tiny jellybean-sized joey crawls into its mother's pouch to continue developing. Inside, it latches onto a teat and grows for months in safety. Female kangaroos can pause the development of a new embryo until the pouch is free, a process called embryonic diapause. This allows a mother to have 3 offspring at different stages, an embryo, a pouch joey, and a joey at foot. Each teat produces milk tailored to the joey's needs. This remarkable system is key to their survival in unpredictable environments. Kangaroos are social animals, living in groups called mobs. Mobs offer safety in numbers, with many eyes and ears alert for predators. Communication is subtle. Body language, ear position, and tail posture all send signals. A loud foot thump warns the mob of danger, sending everyone scattering. Recent research shows kangaroos can even communicate with humans using gaze to ask for help. Mothers form strong bonds with their joeys, grooming and protecting them. The mob's collective vigilance benefits all, especially the young. Social life provides protection, learning, and interaction. Life in the mob is dynamic, revealing a sophisticated inner world. Despite their resilience, kangaroos face growing threats. Habitat loss from expanding cities and farms forces them into smaller areas, increasing competition and road accidents. Climate change brings more droughts, heat waves, and devastating bushfires, pushing their adaptability to the limit. Some species, like tree kangaroos, are especially vulnerable. Widespread culling and commercial hunting add further pressure, sparking controversy. While some species remain numerous, their populations can fluctuate dramatically. The iconic sight of a bounding kangaroo is at risk if we don't act. Their resilience isn't infinite. They need our protection now more than ever. Across Australia, wildlife heroes are working to protect kangaroos. Sanctuaries and rehab centers rescue, care for, and release injured and orphaned kangaroos. Carers provide round-the-clock care, feeding joeys and preparing them for life in the wild. Conservationists fight for better policies, wildlife corridors, safer roads, and stronger protections. Research and education challenge misconceptions and foster appreciation for these remarkable animals. The goal: a world where humans and kangaroos coexist peacefully. The fate of the kangaroo is in our hands. Let's be guardians of the mob and ensure their silhouette remains a symbol of Australia's wild spirit. They deserve our respect, admiration, and unwavering commitment to their survival.